Hello guys, what's up? Today we're going to show you how to do your Instagram account public to private. To do this, you have to click the main account from this bar, then hit settings option, then you have to go to privacy and security option, then scroll down and then first option you can see the account privacy. Private account. When your account is public, your profile and post can be seen by anyone on or off by Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. When your account is private, only the followers you have approved can see what you share, including your photos or videos or hashtags and location pages and your followers and following list. So we are going to click this, switch to private. Now our account is ready for private account. Thanks for watching.